Good girl.
Polly did that one time and
Paula, go get it.
oh, it went in, I think.
Oh no. That's actually kind of cute. Where'd it go?
It is in there?
Are you going shopping? Where's your ball, Paula?